That's right, we got a hot sauce video. It's been literally years since I tried hot sauces for you guys. So I'm going to get back into it for 2025. Now, I'm not going to guarantee there's going to be 1,000 hot sauce videos, but every now and again when I see a new hot sauce that sounds interesting, I'm going to get it. I'm going to try it, and you guys are going to see it. So, this particular hot sauce I got at the grocery store. I saw it on the shelf, immediately thought, you know what, I want to try that. And it's not like I stopped trying hot sauces, but I stopped focusing on it. Like I would try one every 2 months, 3 months if I happen to see it at the store or whatever. But yeah, I saw this. This really intrigued me. This is Fireball hot sauce. So if you're not familiar, Fireball whiskey, right? The cinnamon flavored whiskey drink. It's actually not whiskey, I believe. I think it's just a blended flavored drink. But anyway, this says sweet cinnamon heat whiskey flavored hot sauce inspired by the flavors of Fireball, right? So I am a fan of Fireball. I'll tell you real quick that, and this video might still be on YouTube. I don't know. You have to check. I haven't checked myself, but I got a cheap breathalyzer test, like the machine, the breathalyzer machines, the little one, little portable guy, years ago. And I wanted to test it for a video. So I got wildly drunk on Fireball. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was a 750 milliliter bottle. It might have been like a 375er. I don't know. But I drank the whole bottle. I drank the whole bottle of Fireball. And it was good, but I got wasted. It's one of the most drunk moments of my life. Probably definitely the top 3. But it was bad. Like, I had a hard time making it to the bedroom. My wife was like literally helping me up off the floor in the living room after that video was done. In fact, so much so I never even shut the camera off. It was filming and filming and filming. It was like an hour and 5 minute long video when I finally got to the file because I never shut it off. So yeah, that was anyway. So what I'm going to say with that is that a lot of people, you have an experience where you get too drunk off of something and then it grosses you out. That doesn't happen with me. I can still drink Fireball, but I don't regularly. It's just one of those things. So yeah, so let's see. Ingredients on this guy. Distilled vinegar, red cayenne pepper, salt, sugar, natural flavors, xanthan gum, guar gum, whiskey. So it's good. So maybe there's actual Fireball whiskey in this. An absorbic acid. Oh, B&G Foods in Parsippany, New Jersey. Okay. Somewhat local. Good till 5/21/27. So we got plenty of time to try it, but we're going to try it right now. So yeah, there's actual whiskey in here. Let's see. Ignite every occasion with Fireball whiskey flavored hot sauce. Mix hot sauce with tacos, spicy tuna bowl. I hate when they like recommend things. Yeah, we know it's hot sauce. You put it wherever you want. Anyway, they have a recipe for a tuna bowl. Toss 1 pound of cubed tuna with 1 to 2 tablespoons of this hot sauce. Cook in nonstick skillet for 5 minutes until desired doneness. Well, I don't think anyone likes their tuna super raw. But served in bowls with cucumber, avocado, and cooked rice. That actually sounds pretty decent. And I'm totally wrong. People do love, they literally eat raw tuna. All right, so let's get down to it. Revisited my White River, the backpacker. Fantastic knife. I know this is a blasphemy because I'm using this knife. I do still have my original Cricut, my Spyderco Cricut that I use for hot sauce videos. It's packed away somewhere. I have to find it. I know I have it. When I was moving, I found it. It wasn't where I left it, but I did find it, and I promise I will bring that back when I do future hot sauce videos. I just don't have it right this second. All right, so let's put that garbage off to the side. I think I shook it up enough. Ooh, it does smell like cinnamon. We have our little dripper cap on there. Let me take it off for now because it's hindering this whole test. Yeah. Oh, definite cinnamon in there. It's interesting because it seems like a generic hot sauce. Like when you see hot sauce and it's like, what was the ingredients? Let's see, vinegar and pepper, you know. Distilled vinegar, yeah. Red cayenne peppers, yeah. Salt, sugar. That's like every hot sauce ever. It's the additional things. It's having like real vegetables and fruits and, you know, honey and like just different things in there besides just, you know, cayenne peppers and vinegar, you know. So we'll see. We'll see about that. If it's a generic hot sauce mixed with half Fireball whiskey, I'm still good with that. It's just, it has to have some kind of flavor. But definitely smelling the whiskey. All right, so let's give a healthy dose of this. Okay. Cheers. Okay. It's got regular cayenne heat, so it's no different than, you know, Crystal hot sauce or Tabasco sauce or any of those sauces. It just has the addition. I was sick, but I have my taste back. I don't have really congestion. I'm it's like sniffling because I'm trying to really bring back whatever is in my nose so I can taste it even more. I feel like, because there's definite cinnamon flavor in there, but I don't know if it's cinnamon whiskey. You know what I mean? That's what I'm looking for, is the whiskey flavor. Right now I'm just getting generic hot sauce with cinnamon. And that's unfortunately how things work with marketing. Unfortunately, it is just cinnamon, not Fireball specifically. Now it says there's whiskey in there. If you guys try it, maybe you'll taste that, but for me, it's the peppers, it's the vinegar, and it's cinnamon. Now it's good. It's interesting. I don't think I've had, that I remember, a hot sauce that had cinnamon specifically in the flavor. So it's tasty, it's good, but it's not Fireball. Now the problem with that is, like I said, so when you have peppers, vinegar, and cinnamon, you can make this Fireball whiskey, so people who like Fireball whiskey buy it. But let's say you want to have a different demographic. Let's say you want Moms of America to buy it. Literally the exact same hot sauce, identical hot sauce, different label that says Cinnabon, right? Work with Cinnabon and collaborate with them. Cinnabon flavored hot sauce. Boom. Same sauce, totally different market, right? Anything. Christmas time. You could literally call this, you know, like Christmas tree hot sauce or whatever. Oh, it's got cinnamon in it. It's Christmassy. You know what I mean? Like, it's just that one flavor profile could be so many different things. The same thing happens with candles or chips or whatever. Like, you have just a specific scent or flavor, and the sky's the limit with how you describe what that is. You know, and there's a power of suggestion there. So if it says cinnamon bun, like literally cinnamon bun, and I try this, I'm going to go, oh yeah, I taste the cinnamon. Yeah, it's cinnamon bun. It's weird. Oh, it's crazy. No, it's not. It's just the cinnamon flavor. It could be anything. But I'll give it to them that it's unique. I've never had cinnamon flavor inside. And it's not like a dry cinnamon. It's a little bit of sweet cinnamon inside of a cayenne pepper hot sauce. So it's a thumb up because it's not too hot, which believe it or not, when I think of hot sauces, the least hot it is, the better it is, because the more people who can enjoy it. But also just being unique. So the cinnamon thing's unique. Now, that being said, think about it. Do you want cinnamon hot sauce tacos? I don't know. Like all the stuff you would normally put cinnamon on, like your eggs in the morning. Do you want eggs with hot sauce flavor but also cinnamon? I don't know. I'm not you. I'm weird, so yeah, I would try that, but it's not something I would probably ask for. So anyway, that's it. Cinnamon Fireball flavored hot sauce. Thanks for watching. If you tried this one, let me know in the comment section what you thought of it. Again, got this at a major grocery store, so this is probably available wherever you are, at least if you're in the US or maybe just the East Coast. But yeah, let me know if you saw this or if you tried it. Definitely cinnamon. I don't taste the whiskey part of it. It's not cinnamon whiskey, it's just cinnamon hot sauce, but that's just my thoughts. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.